good morning or good afternoon. So today I've decided to move my house around a little bit and I figured I should film. This is going to be like a clean with me kind of type of deal. So yeah, I'm going to show you the space first. I got inspiration for being locked up in my house, and also trying to find a good filming area for you guys, something where you can see my personality, and I can also change up my study space so that I can actually be productive in my space. So we're gonna go and get into the video. I'm gonna have one of my friends helping me move like my dresser around so that we can get everything situated, but right now I'm going to show you guys what we're doing and what we have going on in my room. And it's junky. I understand. I get it, but I'm trying to be a better organized person for you guys and for me. Alright, first things first is this area right here. This is my desk. I have a lot of good things and that I want happening. Don't mind everything. I'm folding clothes right now because this is the chair that I put my laundry on when I don't feel like folding. So it's kind of a mess right now, but also like I need an organization system for my old school stuff because I still hold on to the stuff just in case I need help with content review, and especially because I'm doing the MCAT right now. So we're moving more into my corner. I keep my backpack here. I keep this thing that I use to go grocery shopping with. So yeah. And also, we have up here on top of my fireplace that doesn't actually work. Just kind of like a mess, and hopefully I'll be able to like style it and make it something a little more pleasurable on the eye. I'm thinking about doing a couple of things up here, starting with this painting that this chalk drawing that my sister did, inspired by me, I guess, that she gave me for a college move away present. I'm thinking about putting it up on the wall a little bit higher so that I can move this in the middle and have an organization system for my books up here as well. There's my bed. It's kind of sad. We go in to the dresser and it's missing some stuff, but yeah. So this is what we're looking at. So right now, I'm thinking that what we need to do is replace where my dresser and my desk are. And that way we can have all of my clothes on the same side. And then we'll be replacing my desk over to the window so that I can have some natural light. And also I can be able to see out the window. I can lift the window up if I want to, but I'll still be like far enough away from my bed that it's not tempting, and I'm also not looking at it. I'll be looking outside. And then I also have this little thing right here that kind of just has kitchen appliances on it and some food stuff. So we're going to organize that and we're going to place it right around this area. That way I can have like a little bit of a coffee bar, because I do have I have all my cups and stuff here. And I mean, just reorganizing this and getting some more of these containers at the dollar store to organize some of the goodies and stuff, and trying to optimize the space that we have. So yeah, that's our plan, and we're gonna try to achieve it all today. I still have some work to do, so I'm gonna hurry up and do this so that I can get back to some other work that I was doing for research, and then we're just gonna go from there. sweeped everything over here so that when we move this, there's an ant. So when we move this, it'll be easier, and I just need to sweep and mop under it, and then we can start moving the desk and stuff. So now I'm going to go prep the desk for being moved. So I'm going to start moving the books and stuff off of it, and then all of my electronics off of it. So that's a swift, easy move. Alright, here's our results. I decided not to move the dresser, and I made my bed. And yeah. So I'm still going to organize this later once I get some more stuff and go to the Dollar Tree. But I'm really happy about my little office space. Yeah.